Imagine your client is asking you what features do they get when they start working for you. Do you have a complete document which you can just share to the client and they can have a look at it? Or your client asks you that have you worked with a couple of other people who are in the same category that they are? So you need to have the list of testimonials that you can share with them so that they are able to build a trust. Now, a lot of business owners do not do this hard work because hard work takes time. But if you do not do this hard work, you will not be able to increase the sales. So you need to create a sales toolkit where you write the questions or objections which clients ask you, and you need to create the answers either in terms of a PDF or in terms of a video, so that instead of you telling them manually, you are able to share those content and the client is able to understand that yes, you can deliver a good product or a good service to them. I have my sales team, and whenever my team calls any of the prospects who are interested to learn from us on how to automate their businesses, we have got a list of objections that they might have. For example, if they are a manufacturer, we have a list of all the problems that they are facing and what is the solution that we are providing. If they are a service provider, we have a list of problems that they are facing and how our tools can help them. And with each and every industry, we have got tons of testimonials, real success stories, which my team shares with them, and they become our students, our clients. Now, this is what you also need to do. Create a list of questions which your client asks you whenever they discuss their requirements, and make sure you are able to create the answers in advance in the form of toolkit, which you can share with them, and you're able to convert them easily to become your customer.